Welcome back everyone, hope you are doing well. In the last lesson, we see how to create a function and call the function from outside the function definition. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass some parameter from the function definition. Suppose I am passing one parameter called a from the function definition and I need to pass some values from the function calling as well. So let's assume I'm giving it a value of 5 and let's see if I grab the variable inside this function. So for that I'm going to console it with the variable parameter name. So in this case my parameter name is a. Let's see if I get it. Yeah. So as you see, I get the value which I have been passed from the function. So now let's create another parameter. For doing it, I need to put a comma and then the new parameter name. Now it's going to be b, and I'm going to again pass some values from here by putting comma between them. Now what I can do, I can again console the second one and check if it is working fine. Yeah, as you can see, it is still working fine. So from now I don't need to again call any kind of variable over here and put the value. So instead of doing that, I can simply pass this a and b directly here, and I'm going to delete the console log as well. So if I save it, then I can see the value 8 is showing, which is coming from here. Let's change the value of it. So now it should show 9, and yes, it is working fine. So our next task is to create a new function for division and multiplication and complete the sub function, subtraction function actually. Okay, before we are giving you the next challenge, let's do something else in this lesson as well. As you see, we are just doing console the value. Every time I need to check it inside the console. So what if I need to show the value over here? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one element inside body tag. So let's add it as p, and I'm going to add one ID over here, and the ID is some val. Okay, so I need to pass my value over here. Okay, so how I can do that? How I can write my which is coming from this function inside this p. By JavaScript, we surely can do that. For that, we need to write one statement. At first, it will be document. And what is document here? A document object represents the HTML document that is displayed in the window. So this is whole a document for JavaScript. The document object has various properties that refer to the other objects which allow access and modification of document content. The way a document content is accessed and modified is called the document object model or DOM. So this is a DOM, and by the document object I'm going to change it like this way. So I need to access this one at first. How I can access it? I have an idea of it. So I can do one thing. I can add one method over here that is called get element by ID. And I'm going to first the ID name which is written here. In my case, it is sum_val. Okay, and then I need to add my value over there, so I need to change the inner HTML of it. For doing that, I need to write another method called inner HTML and assign the value with my logic. In this case, it is A and B. Let's create one variable over here that is called total and assign A and B here so that I can pass only the total variable here. So let's see what happens. So now it is showing my value in the document. Let's change something and see if it's working properly. Yeah, it is working properly. So for the next task, you also need to show all the output in the DOM element as well. Let's see how we progress, and we'll discuss further about next topics in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.